Good morning, Vietnam! Here we go. Hello everyone, my name is Richard Knowles and I'm a sophomore managerial science major, and today we're going to be working with HLookUps in Excel. So let's go ahead and dive right in. If you didn't understand the classic reference to Frogger, basically in Excel you can take many different paths, but if they're not the correct path, you're not going to get to the proper end result, which results in you starting over. So let's do it right the first time. So here we go. We're working with the zip code 30320, and we're going to use this HLookUp function to figure out what exactly the zip code means. So let's start off with the equal sign, type in HLookUp, and double click that. Alright, so the first thing Excel is asking us for is, it says look up a value. So what are we looking up exactly? So we want to figure out what this zip code means. So I'm going to click B3 right there, and it automatically puts it in. So let's continue to the next option. Next one is table array. So table array basically means what data are we using? Where's the data? Where's the chart? And let's help it out. So we're going to go ahead and drag cursor over the data that was provided. Okay, and that's automatically put in right there. So I'm going to move on to the next one. So now we're talking about row index. Let's scroll back over here. So Excel is asking, can you help me clarify exactly what you would look like, what you're looking for? So we're going to start at zip at right here, B10, and we're going to go down. We're going to start at B10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that's the 6th row in the chart. So we're going to put a nice old 6 up there. So next is range lookup, and I want it to say false. So we're going to click enter, and good old Clayton County pops up. So we figured out that 30320 means Clayton County. So now we're going to look for the area code. So we're going to do the same thing. We click equal signs, HLookUp, double click on that. So we're looking at all this data for the table array. Let's do it one more time, do it real quick. And that falls under double D. Is that a coincidence? We'll never know. Next is row index. So now the row index is going to change because we have to drill down to more precise data. So the row for area code is going to start at zip. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put in a nice big 8 right there for the row we're looking at, and false for the range. And we're going to click enter right there, and we got a small problem. It says NA. So see why it's NA, and that's because of a small little mistake just like that, and that's a random comma sitting there. So we need B3 right there, because that's the lookup value. Now we're going to click enter, and now we got a 404 area code, and that's definitely a Georgia area code. So I'm going to keep on pushing to the type. So once again, so equals HLookUp, double click that. What value are we looking up? Let's not forget the good old B3. There's a table of data. So let's just cut this in. Let's try one more time. HLookUp. Double click on that. What data? B3. One more time for the record. The wrong way. Go ahead and drag data. so there's no mistakes. It's nice and high up there. What row index are we looking for? We're looking for the type. The type is going to fall under number 2 in the row. Typing 2 and false. Last but not least, and it's a PO box. So we got all of our information right here. And last but not least, we have to check if the zip code changes accordingly, and all it does. We also have to make sure we have a way to check what the terms mean, which is good. And that's all we need. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic rest of the day. Everything checks out. And if we ever have a question of where something means, we can always click Excel help just like that, and we'll get some assistance.